Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check purchase date of iPhone, and here's how it is done. To start, there are two methods to find this information. The first one is go directly on your iPhone. Open the settings app, scroll down, and tap on General, then About. Here, you will see coverage details. If you have coverage, like a limited warranty or Apple Care, it will indicate when that coverage expires. Another method is to copy the serial number. Tap and hold on the serial number to copy. Then, open your browser and go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Paste the serial number into the appropriate field and enter the verification code. This will give you the exact purchase date, including the month and year. While it won't show the day, it will indicate something, so you will know how old the phone is. And that is everything you need to know about how to check purchase date of iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.